What up, Internet? I am the PCGoblin. I have amazing news. Blizzard teamed up with GOG again to re-release Warcraft II Battle.net Edition and the original Warcraft. I've even got the Warcraft 2 expansion and the original from before Battle.net Edition came around. Let's take a look and see what the original requirements were for the Battle.net Edition. So it needed Windows 95, 98, NT 4.0, a Pentium 60 or equivalent, 16 meg of RAM, 80 meg available for hard drive space, 2x CD-ROM drive for gameplay, 4x for cinematics, local bus SVGA video card, DirectX compatible, Microsoft compatible mouse, DirectX compatible sound card for audio. I'm going to be purchasing the Warcraft bundle that GOG has, and we're going to be testing it out to see how well it runs on Windows 10 with my two 2080 Ti's. So let's get this done. Now that it's installed, this is the exciting time. Let's play it and see what it looks like. So let's check out the DOS settings. Whatever. So 1. Whoa. This is old school gaming right here. This is where it's at. Blackhand has assigned you to an outpost. Your task is simple enough that even the war chief feels that you are capable of it. Construct at least. Oh, look at those graphics. It's high quality right there. Oh, I don't have right click. Oh, that's so old. Let's build a farm. Can I? H for harvest. Oh, I've got enough to build it. I've got to move them to clear out the fog of war, I think. Alright, let's try now. Oh, there we go. Dabu. This is old. It is missing so many quality of life features, like all of them. But it does look good on my monitor. I mean, considering when this came out, it was like a tiny resolution that you'd play it on, so it doesn't look half bad considering. Okay, well, let's try. What options do we have? Fastest. Okay, let's try Warcraft 2. Alright, here we go, Warcraft 2. Oh, we got two different versions, Classic. So you gotta play Classic to do Battle.net, but let's check out the video settings. Let's put in my monitor, 3440. Full screen, integer scaling. Keep gamma the same. Let that be the same. Enable anisotropic filtering. Max out anti-aliasing. Save that. Exit. Alright, what do you look like?
The once mighty army of Azeroth lay among the blackened and charred remains of Stormwind Keep. Those that escaped fled across the Great Sea, bringing tales of the suffering they had faced at the hands of the Orcish Horde.
Huge improvement on graphics over Warcraft 1. But, alright, let's see what this is all about. Single player game, new campaign. Start with Tides of Darkness and the Orc campaign. I love this game as a kid. Like the movies in between every few levels that you'd play were just awesome. It was such a reward once I got to them.
On southern shores. To secure the Zul'Dare region as Doom have a demand.
Yeah, I've got right click. Hitting plus to turn up the game speed. I'm sure you already knew about that.
Ready to work, Zork Dog. Son.
Oh, that doesn't pause it. Now that we've seen the updated Warcraft 2 version, let's check out Classic. Before we play Classic, to get on Battle.net, we need to input a CD key. So you're going to click on Change CD Key. I'm not going to do that because it'll show you my CD key. But to get your key, you need to go to GOG.com/account, go to your games, click on Warcraft 2, click on More, click on Serial Keys, and it'll take you to your serial key. You'll just take that key, click on this, punch in your serial key, and then hit exit. For me, it wouldn't allow me to apply it, but I hit exit, and it should still work because I opened it back up and the CD key was still there. So if I click on multiplayer, then enhanced, then Battle.net. Whoop whoop. Well, we now have Warcraft 1 and Warcraft 2 easily accessible to play on Windows 10 thanks to GOG and Blizzard working together on this. And from what I can see, they both look really great. I am noticing a little bit of a mouse issue where it like gets lost off screen or something, but it's easily... It's an easy workaround. You just hit the Windows key and then click back into Warcraft and your mouse is there and it's working fine. And I saw the same issue with Diablo and they patched that fairly quick and it's not a thing anymore. So I imagine they're going to be doing the same thing with Warcraft 1 and 2 really quick. So really not much of an issue, I would think. My only real complaint about it is Warcraft 1 and seeing DOSBox and having to interact with DOS a little bit to be able to play it. It would be nice if they had the exact same experience that they have with Diablo and Warcraft 2, where you can choose like the classic version or play it and you've got a bit more graphic options that you can play with to make your experience look a little bit better. But it's not that big of a deal. They both look great, especially Warcraft 2. So I really hope you guys go pick it up. I'll have a link in the description below, but that's it for this video. So if you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more of my stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you next time, guys. And I'm going to start playing this because I'm really excited to play it. So, see ya.
Son, Dabu. Son, Loktar.